Welcome to the CryptoNest. So it's a while I didn't cover Vaiot, so let's do that. All right, so once again, this was the bigger wave movement for the wave 1. This is the wave 2. I thought we were finished kind of here, but it looks like we didn't. So we did maybe an A. This was the A, B, C for the B, and we're doing this C wave again. We are on the brinks of reaching that 0.786 fib retracement here at 5 cents too. And I know it looks messy, but just hold with me. I'm going to enlarge, maybe put the 4 hours. So then it's going to be a little bit less messy. So just want to zoom out a little bit. So maybe here was the wave 2. And as you can see, usually, yeah, wave 2. And then you can see that this level, the 0.0569, it was really a very nice support. One certain point I was scared that it would break because by smashing something many times, several times, then eventually it's going to give up. It actually really hold well. Once again, I thought that this could have been the wave 1 and this could have been A, B, C, but then he went so low, he retraced so much that it kind of failed the count. Now though, I can see, now I'm going to, this is micro counting, so I'm going to go on the 1 hour. So now I know maybe it's still less, it's a little bit messy, but just bear with me. So this could be the wave, actually it's not could be, this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2. We just, we barely touched the 0.5. I know if I enlarge, it's going to be a little bit better. So you can see that we did the 1 here, wave 2. We just tip into the 0.5 fib retracement. After that, we did this very nice impulsive movement to the upside. Now I did the extension. Let me put that on the left side. Here you go. So third wave, Fibonacci extension 2.618. Amazing. So we did this 4. Now honestly, I'm debating, is this the 4th or all this is the 4th and we're going to have even a crazier 5th wave. For a moment, let me see here. We kind of had like a, yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not going to say we had a long wave 2, but usually if if the wave 2 it's longer, the wave 4 is going to be shorter. So that's why I put the wave 4 here. And also when I did the Fibonacci retracement of this movement of the third wave, as you can see, we barely reached the 0.236 and we moved on the side and then we skyrocket again. And guess what? We bend on stop. We sorry, we just broke out momentarily, wick out from the 3.618 fib extension at 8 cents 6, and after that we bounce back right away. So now the question I'm asking myself is, maybe now it's not maybe, this is 5 wave up. I count that as a wave 1 in yellow, and then now maybe this is already the correction for the wave 2. And yeah, let me put that bigger, maybe like the wave 1. Okay, so if I move around here, if I take the Fibonacci retracement of this impulsive movement to the upside, this would be the ideal retracement. Now I did put the 0.382 because before we never know, right? It's nice to have a nice bullish impulsive movement. And yeah, here we can see also that maybe we already did the wave A, and maybe we just completed the wave B. And I don't know the result of and, but here I did the extension. So I took the length of the wave A and added to the end of, if we did finish this wave B. So the ideal target for a wave C would be 7 cents 5. and it could go lower, right? Because our DO retracement for a wave 2, it should go 7 cents 4 to 6 cents 2. So let's see how this is going to play out. Not yet sure if wave C it's finished. Yeah, well, I guess we will see in the following hours if we make a higher high compared to the wave 1, then this could be just A, and then we're going to make an overshooting wave B, and yeah, and eventually we're going to do that wave C. So we need to just wait and yeah, let the market talk. What else did I wanted to say? So this is, I did the fib retracement of the wave A. Usually it's going to go, maybe sometimes it goes to the 0.618 fib retracement. As you can see, I think it was here. We went higher. We almost reached the 1-to-1 ratio. So if we break the 1-to-1, then the following target for a wave, possible wave 2, sorry, wave B. Let me do the cleanup here. So I'm going to take out this one. I'm going to leave these ones. Okay, so the next possible, oh my god, again with that settings. All right, so let me put it bigger, and on the right side, here we go. All right, so I would say that if we hold these levels and we keep going higher, then more likely we're going to go and test the 0.05 fib extension, which is 8 cents 7, and then if we go even above that, then we're going to go for the 1.382 at 9 cents. So now also what can I say, what can I do? We're doing this kind of widening channel, trying to do the most that I can, some trend lines here, and yeah, so let me see if I do it like this. Yeah, it's maybe something like that. So until we don't break out from this trend, you know, it can go, the price can go higher. So we'll see how high can it go for a moment, and then after that we'll see what would be the ideal retracement. When I see that we break out from this channeling, then I'm going to redo the Fibonacci retracement to estimate more accurately the wave C target. Now I would just wanted to go on the maybe 4 hours to see short term what's the situation with the indicator. As you can see, we are oversold, so yeah, for sure it can keep going higher, but structurally I would say it's not going to skyrocket a 2x from where it is, because it needs to have some time to rest. And let's go and see the daily one. Daily one also, it's starting to get to the oversold, near oversold, so we still have plenty of room to go a little bit higher, but yeah, I'm not no, I'm not saying that it's impossible, but chances are that we need to have soon a pause, and that would be ideal to make a retracement, charge up, finalize this wave 2, and then we can skyrocket to do that very strong impulsive movement for the third wave. All right, so this is pretty much all for Vaiot for today. I know it looks messy, but when you go and deeper, it does make sense, and I like to have all the data. But I do agree that like that it does look not that good on the daily chart. All right, so hopefully you enjoy the video. So yeah, am I going to invest more in Vaiot? Definitely, if we get into these levels. I'm waiting for these levels, and well, for sure that's not the financial advice, that's my strategy. and yeah, I'm not scared at all to jump into the market. In this current market, I find this is a time to get in my opinion. Maybe I have a risk capability, highly risk capability, and I really believe yeah, that crypto is the way to go. I gave up on stocks, and yeah, okay. So that's it for Vaiot for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Any question, drop them in the comments, and have a good day. Bye.